Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ ń bá mi pàdé rèé, ẹ bá mi like, ẹ comment, ẹ share, kẹ́ subscribe. Àwọn ohun tí ẹ máa wò lórí ìkànnì yìí, òun ni àwọn ohun tí ó ń lọ láwùjọ wa tó sì máa kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n. Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ.
Ṣẹlẹ̀, happen. US puts Nigeria on watch list, threatens to freeze 50% of aid in new bill. US lawmakers have approved a bill placing stricter conditions of financial assistance to Nigeria over concerns about insecurity and violence. The proposal will withhold 50% of allocated aid until Nigeria demonstrates stronger action on civilian protection and accountability. Ohun tí wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé wa bí ni wípé ìjọba ìlú Amẹ́ríkà ẹ mọ̀ wípé wọ́n fi ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ owó àti oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ránṣẹ́ láti fi support Nigeria one way or the other. Wọ́n wá sọ fún wa sí wípé based on insecurity tí ó ti gba gbogbo ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà kan tí Nigeria government ò dẹ̀ bìkítà láti pèsè ààbò tó péye fún àwọn masses àwọn civilians. Ìdí nìyí o tí wọ́n ṣe fi Nigeria sí orúkọ watch list ní the whole world tó já sí wípé bí àwọn foreigners ṣe ń bọ̀ nínú tó ṣe máa wá sí Nigeria ó máa reduce drastically many things láti foreign country láti western world sínú Nigeria ó máa reduce gan ni nǹkan máa ṣe Nigeria economically yàtọ̀ fún ìgbé nǹkan wọ́n tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ wàhálà tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ another wàhálà ẹ̀yìn gbẹ̀yìn wọ́n wá tún wá sọ wípé nǹkan tó fi ń ránṣẹ́ sí inú Nigeria o owó ni o oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ni o láti fi support Nigeria láti grow àgàgà àwọn tó jẹ́ victim àwọn jihadist yìí wọ́n ní gbogbo ẹ̀ àwọn ti pín ire wọ́n ti pín sí méjì wọn ò ní fi ìrànlọ́wọ́ 100% ránṣẹ́ sí Nigeria mọ́ 50% lẹ́ ò mọ̀ gbà láti ṣe lọ àǹtí tí ìjọba Nigeria tí wọ́n bá do the needful tí wọ́n ṣe kí ni tí wọ́n protect àwọn aráàlú tí wọ́n eradicate terrorism sórí wípé Nigeria ti wọ́gà o torí ìwà àtẹ̀mí jọmọ̀ wípé terrorism láti eradicate ẹnu Nigeria president wo ló fẹ́ ṣe ìrí torí bàbá Tinubu wọ́n lè ṣe wọ́n lè ṣe àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí tó sodomọ tí o mọ̀ àti tó ti ń gbọ́ tó ń imagine tó ń guess gbogbo ẹ̀ wọ́n ti kó Johnson confirmato tẹ̀lé mi wá wo fídíò kó gbọ́rọ̀.
Nigeria is an Islamic regime completely and totally, with the disguise of a secular democracy. Now, how can I say that? Going back to history, first of all, the founding of Nigeria, the core of it still today is the Sokoto Caliphate. It was the largest pre-colonial empire in Africa, built on jihad, built on genocide, built on slavery, the Sokoto Caliphate. And there's a reason Trump bombed Sokoto on Christmas Day. It was symbolic. That caliphate, when the British got control of that region, that was in the north. The south has been vibrant, Christian, English-speaking, very entrepreneurial. At one point in time, before it was destroyed, it was the fastest-growing economic region on earth for 10 years running. So the south is a vibrant. That's what they put forward. The south, the Lagos, the entrepreneurial south, but the control of the nation is rigged so that the jihad caliphate controls it. Their constitution, which was written by a northern military dictator, a radical Islamist dictator, wrote their current constitution. It mentions Sharia and Islamic terms 165 times and not one Christian term. The whole constitution and nation is jerry-rigged so that the control stays in the imams in the north, while all the resources, the oil, is in the south, so that it's all nationalized.
Mo ti sọ fún wa mo ní kó jẹ́ ká máa lè bá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan tó gbọ́ nínú short video ló ti ń imagine for some years back tó ti ń gbọ́ fìrìfìrì tó believe àbí àwọn eléyìí wọ́n ṣe research yes láti mọ gbogbo nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ secret that made one Nigeria lára secret ìyà tó ń jẹ ìwọ àtẹ̀mí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ òun ló gbọ́ yẹn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa lárí wípé tí wọ́n bá arrest terrorist tọ́wọ́ bá bá any terrorist tó bá hand over fọlọ́pàá àbí army a máa rí wípé wọ́n free wọn victim gangan èèyàn tí nǹkan ṣe tí terrorist hàn lè mọ̀ òun ni wọ́n máa padà arrest àbí àwa jọ ń bira wa léèrè wípé but why ṣé bó ṣe yẹ kó ṣe rí nìyẹn kò yẹ kó máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà kí ló dé tẹ́ fi ọ̀daràn lẹ̀ tẹ́rù ń bọ ọlọ́pàá àti army Nàìjíríà láti discipline láti persecute terrorist a terrorist person tó ń pa innocent citizen Nigeria àṣírí ibẹ̀ ló ti rí yẹn. Nigeria is an Islamic country tí wọ́n wá gbé sí abẹ́ democracy. Guess what? Constitution tí wọ́n lò jihadist constitution, Islamic jihadist constitution òun ni wọ́n lò. Mi ò ìkọ́ àlàyé tí mò ń ṣe ìkò ní ìkọ̀kọ́ ṣe pé bíyá mo hate mùsùlùmí kí ló dé tó wá sọ wípé ẹ̀sìn Islam. Ìwọ tó jẹ́ mùsùlùmí tí òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yí ẹ tí òun lament situation Nigeria àṣírí tó wà ń bẹ̀ lélẹ̀. Àwọn Nigeria army jihadist àwọn ni wọ́n kọ Nigeria constitution. Kò dẹ̀ sí ẹ̀sìn àbáláyé ìṣẹ̀ṣe kankan nínú constitution tó ń govern Nigeria. Kò sún ọ̀dárúkọ ẹ̀sìn Kristẹni, Islamic nìkan òun ló wà ń bẹ̀. All true. Ìdí gan-an tó ṣe jẹ́ sí wípé wọ́n ṣàmúlégbègbè wọ́n fẹ́ sọ di wèrè wípé okay Nigeria is an Islamic state now. Kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa practice jihadist fully. By now ó yẹ kí gbogbo Nigerians náà kọ́ ti wà wẹ́ àwọn northern náà ni mò ń sọ o, àwọn Sultan, àwọn Kaba Caliphate, àwọn Sokoto Caliphate, àwọn jihadists headed by Sultan of Sokoto, supported by El-Rufai Matawale, gbogbo wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ tó mọ̀. Wọ́n wá wò pé wọ́n ti promote ọ̀rọ̀ Islamic ní the whole of Nigeria. Everybody ló ti wà aware, wọ́n ti ripe, ó yẹ àsìkò ti tó láti kúkú wá sọ wípé yes, officially Nigeria is an Islamic state and we are practicing jihadist. Olórí tó máa bọ́ síta tó máa jẹ́ head of state tá jẹ́ president, òun ẹnu yẹn nìyẹn, òun ló máa sọ síta gẹ́gẹ́ bí president wípé as a Nigeria, I want to declare as Islamic country. It has been like this for so years, blah 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 blah. Ní ìgbà Buhari, wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe kò work. Ṣùgbọ́n wàá rí wípé wọ́n fún àwọn jihadists láyé gẹ́gọ́. They made hell of money nínú ìjọba Nigeria. Tí wọ́n bá sọ wípé economically Nigeria ti down, kò sí owó, wọ́n kàn yáwó lé ní yáwó lọ́la. Yes, torí wọ́n fi owó kankan, àwọn Buhari ò fi sí inú àkáǹtì sílẹ̀. Bí ti gba Ọbásanjọ́ tí wọ́n fi ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ owó sílẹ̀. Gbogbo owó tí bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ fi sílẹ̀ lọ́dún náà lọ, òun dà báyìí, kò sí ìkankan mọ́, gbèsè lórí gbèsè. Torí àwọn Fulani Caliphate, àwọn Gumi and Co, gbogbo wọ́n ti jẹ Nigeria run ní ìgbà ayé Buhari. Ìgbà tí Tinubu wá débẹ̀, wọ́n rí desperation yẹn, mò ń sọ fún yín. Òun ni wọ́n ṣe force Muslim ticket. With believe wípé tí Tinubu bá débẹ̀, òun ló máa proclaim ẹ̀ síta wípé Nigeria is an Islamic country. Wọ́n lè wá máa practice jihadist lọ long stop. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa yẹ̀ wọ́n lọ́wọ́ wò, kò sí country kankan both home and abroad tó máa sọ wípé why tẹ̀ ṣe báyìí fún àwọn Nigerians. Ṣé mọ̀ pé wọ́n ti kówó fún àwọn a lot of clerics both in the northern part of Nigeria and in Yoruba land. Now eastern part of Nigeria òun ni wọ́n pump owó sí nísìnyí tí wọ́n fẹ́ báyìí wọn náà wọ́n ti ń ṣe lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ sí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń gain ground gan ni. Mi ò attack ẹ̀sìn Islam. Ewu tó wà ńbẹ̀ tí wọ́n fẹ́ fi kó ìwà àtẹ̀mí sínú ìgbèkùn ni mò ń ṣe lálàyé fún ẹ. Má mú mi lọ́tà, èmi kì í ṣọ̀tá ẹ̀. Àwọn wọ̀nyí ni ọ̀tá ẹ̀. Àìmá wá declare tí bàbá Tinubu ò declare Nigeria as an Islamic country. Òun gangan ni number 1 ogun tí àwọn Islamic Caliphate tí wọ́n fi ń jà bàbá Tinubu. Tó ṣe sọ wípé second term ẹ̀ kò sure wọn ò gbúdọ̀ rí. Àti wípé ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì tí Tinubu bá ṣe second term kí ló fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣé ó máa gbé ìjọba sílẹ̀? Ṣé tó bá tẹ̀ máa gbé ìjọba sílẹ̀, ṣé ó máa gbé fún Fúlàní padà? Ìyẹn ni gbogbo nǹkan tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́ wọn náà ṣe wò wípé dandan Tinubu ò gbúdọ̀ ṣe second term. Ó làwa náà ṣe rawọ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ sí bàbá Tinubu wípé ẹ má kàn wá ń bẹ̀ yẹn ṣá. Ẹ rántí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ẹ má kàn ṣọdún 7 kókò má sí nǹkan kan tá a máa jẹ lérè àbí táwa náà máa lè gbámú wípé yes, ó ti wá dójú ẹ̀ báyìí. Because bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ̀, Nàìjíríà máa pín ni. Kò sí ọjọ́ tí gbogbo Nigerians are coming out to become an Islamic person. Kò possible. Kàkà kílẹ̀ kú ilẹ̀ àṣà. Any head of state tó bá dẹ̀ ti jẹ tó declare òun ni gbogbo ìjọba àgbáyé náà máa dìmú. Ogun dẹ̀ ti yá nìyẹn. Ogun yá nìyẹn. Òun la ṣe sọ fún Yorùbá wípé àwọn ará bíi ti múra. President tó máa jẹ tó máa declare tó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ogun sánsan òun ni wọ́n dúró dè. Wàá wá máa rí wípé àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọn kì í arrest wọn prosecute àwọn terrorists wọn ò lè prosecute wọn nítorí wípé àwọn ni wọ́n rúùlù Nàìjíríà àwọn náà ní Nàìjíríà òun ló ṣe já sí wípé kò sí governor minister senator gbogbo political stakeholder wa kankan tó máa bá wọn fi ẹnu sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí terrorism àbí tó máa bọ́ sí tata sọ fún ẹ wípé òun fẹ́ gbógun ti terrorism nínú Nàìjíríà no because àwọn náà mọ òtítọ́ tó wà nínú constitution Nàìjíríà wípé jihadist constitution náà fi ń govern Nàìjíríà lára àṣírí tí mo ní ìwà tèmi jọ máa lè bá ibẹ̀ ni kọ́kọ́ la sì tún yìí lọ o ní láti tẹ̀lé mi wá gbélé náà ó yá.
Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will hand over to His Excellency Malam Nasir El-Rufai by 2027 May, and the journey has started. Thank you so much.
Nigerians, Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, this is the high time for everybody to team up to pursue foreigners, Fulanis, away from Nigeria. If not, Jagaban cannot do it. He's afraid of them. Army chiefs afraid of them. Nigerian, this is not the time for tribalism. If not, Fulanis will wipe you out and occupy Nigeria.
Ṣó ti rí bó ṣe ń lọ tá bá sọ fún ẹ wípé àwọn Fúlàní kàbà tá bá sọ̀rọ̀ wípé àwọn northern ń dìde tán àwọn Fúlàní là ń sọ èmi dèrò wípé àsìkò ti tó ó yẹ ká yára wa ní brain ká yára wa lọ́pọlọ àwa southern ẹ jẹ́ a fi ọ̀tẹ̀ sílẹ̀ ṣe rí àwọn oríkì ọmọ aṣọ̀tẹ̀ márù irọ́ ni o kò séyàn tó ṣọ̀tẹ̀ tí ó ru o in fact ọ̀tẹ̀ àbáyé ẹ̀jẹ̀ ò àtẹ̀rí ẹjẹ́ aṣọ̀tẹ̀ mọ́ níwọ̀nba èmi rò wípé Southern Tinubu ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló ń bínú sí ìjọba ò dá ìjọba ò ṣe all well and good ṣùgbọ́n jókòó kó gbọ́ àlàyé mi candidate wo lórí tó wà nílẹ̀ láàrin Peter Obi Atiku Kwankwaso tó bẹ́tà tó dẹ́ pé tó bá fún ní opportunity òun máa lọ bẹ̀ á ṣe nǹkan tí wọ́n fẹ́ á mú Nàìjíríà á gbé forward rapidly á gbé yín débi tẹ́ ń lọ bag of cement á dá padà sí 10 naira so Atiku ló máa wá ṣe the same Atiku ńgbà tó jẹ́ vice president wọ́n jẹ Nàìjíríà run tó hand over Bakassi fún Cameroon òun ni bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ sọ lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta pé òun ló kàjọ wọn mọ̀ wípé family land wọn ni the same Atiku tó privatize gbogbo property Nàìjíríà èyí tó tà owó ó ti sáré gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ owó tó fẹ́ fi ṣe iná mọ̀nàmọ́ná tí ò ní máa lọ́nu Nàìjíríà Atiku ìlókò lẹ́ni tó bá ń sunkún báńdé nínú Nàìjíríà iṣẹ́ owó Atiku ni òun ni candidate tó bẹ́tà bí ṣé Obi tí Obi bá sọ̀rọ̀ ní wákàtí á ti gbẹ̀gbẹ́ nǹkan tó sọ tó bá máa di next 3 hours nǹkan míì ló dẹ̀ máa sọ Obi gan look at him from head to toe ṣé orí nírí èèyàn tí ọ̀rọ̀ yé tó mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣe Kwankwaso báwo plan àwọn Fúlàní caliphate òun ni òun ló gbọ́ nínú fídíò yẹn mo mọ̀ pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá ní láyé kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ níbo máa lè àwẹ̀ gbé gbogbo yẹn lẹ̀ nínú ilé ẹ nínú comfort zone ẹbí ti tèmi láti sọ pé kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan tí ìwà tèmi máa ṣe àjọmọ̀ bó ṣe ń lọ ìgbà tó pa Abíọ́lá kí lẹ ṣe gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá tí wọ́n ti pa àwọn àgbẹ̀gbẹ̀ wa tó ti pa kí la ṣe gbogbo ìyànjẹ tó ti fún ọmọ Yorùbá láti ọdún láti 1960 tán ti fún wọn ní omi ìnira mu ẹjọ́ kí lẹ ṣe ara wo lẹ dá tó bá ṣe fún Tinubu kò sí nǹkan tẹ́nibọ̀dì máa ṣe ẹ jẹ́ ká prevent èmi ò like ká máa tọ́ra wa èmi ò mọ bóyá tóyàn torí mi kì í tọ́ra mi and that is why many of you don't like me ó dẹ̀ ní láti like mi torí bí mo ṣe ń sòtítọ́ yìí tí Ọlọ́run rán mi ni ọwọ́ tèmi mọ́ mo lálàáfíà. plan àwọn Fúlàní caliphate ní north nìyẹn wípé Tinubu ò gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe second time bó ṣe ṣe ìdí ni wípé nǹkan tó fẹ́ kó declare wọ́n fẹ́ kó declare by fire by thunder Nigeria as an Islamic country so that wọ́n lè máa pa everybody lọ wọ́n wọlé lọ́sàn gangan ìyàwó àtọkọ ní ojú ọkọ wọ́n máa bá ìyàwó sùn lójú ìyá àti bàbá wọ́n máa bọ́mọ sùn nǹkan tó bá wù wọ́n náà máa dá lára kò sí nǹkan tó máa yẹ̀ wọ́n lọ́wọ́ wò kò dẹ̀ anybody tó máa lè sọ̀rọ̀ ńgbà yẹn because wọ́n ti proclaim Nigeria as Islamic country wọ́n ní bọ́n ṣe ń ṣe nìyẹn because constitution jihadist olófin cover Nigeria ó ti gbé upper hand lé wọn lọ́wọ́ ìdí nìyẹn tó ṣe máa pa Nigeria innocent citizen tí ò ní sí justice kò sí ẹni náà tó bí ire tó máa fún yín ní justice ara nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lélẹ̀ ṣé you dey see the game wọ́n wá ti wò wípé kàkà kí lẹ̀kùn ilẹ̀ àṣà kàkà kí Tinubu kó ṣe second term wọ́n yà màmá dàrú irú ìdàrú wo ni wọ́n fẹ́ gbé sílẹ̀ irú ogun wo náà fẹ́ ní àwọn Fúlàní caliphate headed by Sultan ni wọ́n fẹ́ gbé kalẹ̀ coming next year February for against presidential election tó fi máa wá dàrú tó fi jẹ́ wípé El-Rufai náà máa wá lò as an interim leader ṣé wá rí El-Rufai tó bá ti gbé síbẹ̀ as interim leader bíi ti bàbá yẹn ní Ogun State bóyá òun ló máa wá proclaim ẹ̀ nígbà yẹn because wọ́n á ti múra tán ẹ̀yin Yorùbá àwa là múra ogun àwọn ti múra ogun kọ́kàn declare Islamic Nigeria as an Islamic country kógun dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti múra nǹkan tó ń dúró dè nìyẹn and that is why tó ṣe rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ Islamic clerics ní ọ̀dọ̀ wa tó súnmọ́ àwọn nọ́dánà dáadáa wọ́n ti wà aware nípa gbogbo kinní wọ̀nyí òun ló fún wọn ní upper hand òun lẹ ṣe rí irú Lábìbù tó ń condemn western education òun lẹ ṣe rí irú Mufti Ìwó tó ń ṣe oríṣiríṣi tí ò dẹ̀ sí ìkọ̀kọ̀ tó ń lè ṣe sí because jihadist constitution òun náà fi ń govern Nigeria tó ọlọ́pàá bá arrest wọn wá tó fi wọ́n lẹ̀ ni wọ́n ní right láti máa sọ nǹkan tó ń sọ because Nigeria is an Islamic country but èèyàn tó máa bá wọn make it official no to the whole world òun ni wọ́n dúró dè and that's why tó ṣe rí gbogbo tó múra kankan lórí ọ̀rọ̀ everything about ẹ̀sìn kàṣàjà nothing more ṣó ti yí ẹ ibẹ̀ ni kọ́kọ́ la tún yìí lọ tó sáré tẹ̀lé mi.
I'm always a loyal member of any party. Yes, people will say he has left this party, he has left this party, he has left this party. One day, those who are close to me will tell the story of how I left all those parties. The truth is that every party I've left, I've been pushed to leave. This morning, somebody asked me a question about something. I said, I don't stay where there's a problem. I've never knowingly, whether it's in private or in public, quarrel with people. I don't stay. I would rather be the loser and be called a coward and go out of it in peace than stay where there's quarrel. So if people tomorrow say, we don't want you here, I'll move on. That is not weakness. It is a virtue. Just like people will say it's simple, it is a virtue. People will say it's special, it's a virtue. You must be able to do things where you tolerate others, and if they don't want you, don't quarrel with them. You move on. My commitment is for a better Nigeria. I don't know where I'm going to stay to be able, and I believe that we need to work together with other entities in order to be able to change the country. And one people will say, oh, maybe we'll leave Abga tomorrow. It's a subject. It's not, politics is not about running from one place to the other. And then, no. Whatever you can do it from wherever you are and do it properly. And let me tell you what Fashola said. He said, doing good work has nothing to do with party or coloration. So when I see people jumping from here to here or doing this, no. You have to be consistent. Leadership is, you have to be consistent, focus on the job. Know what you said yesterday, you fulfill it today. Where there's disagreement, you come out and say, I disagree with this. And know when that disagreement maybe ends, and you say, okay, fine, that's it. Abner is strong, Abner is doing well, and I assure you that he will continue to do well. I'm not one of those fanatics that runs around.
So when you have...
So, His Excellency Peter Obi, I could see you here with Atiku, trying to, one of the campaign ground, trying to talk to these people. I see you struggling, in your bid to please them. And the way they are looking at you is strange. No accolade, no reception. They are just looking at you like an infidel. That's the way they are looking at you. And I'm very sure whatever you are telling them is from your mind. You are trying to, speak your mind. But I don't think they see it that way. And I don't think they will ever make that mistake again. The mistake they made with Tinubu, Tinubu played Takiya on them. Takiya means deception in Islam. Tinubu appeared before them just like the way you appear before them now. And at the end of the day, he turned his back against them. As a matter of fact, Tinubu dismantled the northern political structure and hegemony to the extent that they are useless. The four of them that, the frontier of the Fulani for presidential election, which is Atiku, Shettima, Kwankwaso, and El-Rufai, Tinubu made them look stupid. So as it is right now, they are looking for how to redeem that image. So they really want to use you. That's where I'm seeing it, and leverage on your integrity.
Oh, see where we find ourselves. Oh, all the obedient where they Nigeria, both home and abroad. May una come out. Oh, may una come listen to una leader as they confuse una they go. The most Nigeria confused politician goes to Mr. Peter Obi. Because this man is totally lost and confused. I don't talk him many times. When I go to say they abuse, I know abuse, and the thing with me I see. If this man they analyze or they talk, they grant interviewed up and down, the only thing when me they see for him body now fear. Obi they even fear to become Nigeria president because some things we no know before you don't know her. Some things we no hear before you don't hear her. He don't see say that's it. He dey extraordinary hot. Now person wait ready to die to quench when no send anything again. Now he go become Nigeria president. Obi still want enjoy life. He still get many things at stake. Now fear I see for him body. As you see her now, Obi don't come and say he don't come out for ADC again. Obi don't come out for ADC again. He say they do. This man they Abga. If from APGA go PDP, from PDP to Labour Party, from Labour Party to ADC. No. It don't come out, he say they do ADC again. And very soon now, they go start, all the political party, they go begin, they do their primary. Which political party they want form now, within how many weeks now, where they will come say now, Peter Obi, they want to carry primary ticket, give. Obi no dey, he no get interest to contest. Now it don't show us now. The proof don't come out say now Igbo people they push am. But my Igbo people they wo. Eleti emere. Nsobadero. As all of us they see wetin they go with Obi now. Obi no just get time. He no get interest for this thing. Now only Igbo people they push am. But my Igbo people, this Peter Obi can be the only candidate where the all southeastern people fee drop. May come represent una. Now don't follow na own hand by una self. Because this Peter Obi na weakening. I don't talk am. May una no come for me. Now the truth I go tell una. You know see person where they jump from one political party to the other. How this kind of person want to sit down, get in and sit down, take focus if he become Nigeria president, tackle the whole situation. If you listen to your own interview now, he said the reason why when he come out for ADC, when he go look for another political party now because their wala too much. Tinubu they give them court cases every now and then. They enter court, then they come back. Now so wahala anywhere where wahala there, they shook head, they did there. Now the same person una want me come be Nigeria president because Nigeria itself is a wahala. Wahala omo yibo gan nínú Nigeria. She ko ti pin yen Obi lemi. Because if Obi my Igbo people una no see wetin una dey take Tinubu do. The time wey Buhari dey there, una no see wetin we take and do. The time wey Jonathan dey there, now only you want waka come. The time wey Obasanjo dey there, no be we, now we there, now we all of na so Nigeria be. Una see the whole thing. Anybody wey no like stress, wey no like wahala, you no go fit be a politician. How this kind word they come out for person when anyone contest, they won't become Nigeria president, won't take Nigeria, go next level. Which kind next level? If you do yourself, may it good, they go still contact you for Nigeria. Not be only Nigeria, na so it be. As some people go they praise you, say you try, I bet me on a liver. Na so majority go still they tell and I say na lie. Obi won't tell us, say he no see the thing where the Igbo people they take President Bola Ahmed Tinubu do. Everything wey he do, every small thing wey Tinubu even do for Nigeria there, you know say as dem dey sponsor everybody, AI o, money o, everything on social media, they nullify am, they destroy am, they scatter am. Na him Obi come dey tell us say he no dey like wahala. Na this one wan come represent Igbo. Una no fit, una no get candidate, make una rest. Ṣé Obi tí àwọn èèyàn sọ wípé ó máa bẹ́tà Tinubu lélẹ̀ tẹ́ bá fún ní chance? Yorùbá ẹ wálé bàbá Tinubu, àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ń pè yín, à ń bẹ̀ yín, ẹ má ṣánwọ́ wálé, ẹ má kàn lo ọdún mẹ́jọ ń bẹ̀ yẹn kẹ́ máa sọ wípé ẹ ṣe tán ẹ ń bọ̀ lébi ti bàbá Ọbásanjọ́, ó máa lẹ́yìn fún yín gan ni. Ẹ ṣàánú wa, ẹ ṣe nǹkan tá a fẹ́. Ọmọ Yorùbá, ìran Yorùbá race ó ti jìyà jù nù Nàìjíríà, ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ mọ̀. Àwa aládé ń gbé Nàìjíríà tá ṣe ń jẹ́ kí wọ́n Nàìjíríà máa jẹ́ wọ́n Nàìjíríà. Save us, protect us. Ẹ ṣàánú wa bàbá Tinubu, torí lẹ́yìn tiyín mi ò mọ̀ tí wọ́n Nàìjíríà bá ṣì wà. Candidate ọmọ Yorùbá tó fẹ́ gbà tí náà dẹ́nà àgbà kó become Nigeria next president. Nígbà tó bá tó ti consult, òun ni mò ń dúró dè. Ká lè mọ̀, ẹ má domi ìwẹ̀nù pẹ̀lú ọmọ, mò ń ṣàlàyé fún yín. Ẹ má torí pé ẹ ń bínú sí bàbá Tinubu. Tí ọkọ ìyá ẹni bá ju ni lọ, a lè yẹ ẹni sọ́rí tó bá ju bàbá ẹni lọ. Bàbá là á pè é. Bí àlè ìyá èèyàn bá ju ni lọ, ìyá là á pè é. Tinubu ti jù wá lọ báyìí, àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ agbọ́nmọ́ tinú wa, ẹ jẹ́ a máa tù ká máa bẹ̀. Ṣé Obi nǹkan tẹ ní Tinubu ò ṣe, ṣé Obi ló fẹ́ wá ṣe fún yín, àbí Atiku àbí Kankaso? Ẹ rorí yín, Buhari wà ń bẹ̀ kò ṣe nǹkan kan, nọ́dá náà ò pariwo wọn ṣe nǹkan kan, wọ́n ní kò kàn wọ́n. Buhari ní anybody tí Nàìjíríà ò bá pè, tí ò bá tẹ́ lọ́rùn àtijọba òun kó pọ̀ sókè rajà. Ẹ jẹ́ agbọ́nmọ́ tinú wa, ẹ jẹ́ akára rojinlẹ̀ o, ká sì ro ọjọ́ iwájú, ẹ má jẹ́ àrò tìsín nìkan. Ṣé ìwọ tó ń sọ wípé ẹyọ kí Tinubu kúrò ń bẹ àbí kán pa síbẹ̀? Ṣé ìwọ lókàn tó bá ti wá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Tinubu, ìwọ lókù tó ń wá mú lọ́bẹ̀? Mo fẹ́ kó mọ̀ wípé bí Tinubu ọbọ̀tà ẹ̀ bá kú síbẹ̀, Shettima ló máa take over. Ẹ tí ì rí ìyà, wọn tí ì jí yín gbé, ẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀, ẹ tí ì rí nǹkan kan. Àsìkò tí ọ̀tẹ̀ máa tẹ̀yìn rí ẹ̀yin ìran ọmọ Yorùbá, òun lẹ fẹ́ ra wọlé. À ń bá yín sánsìn ẹ fẹ́ gbọ́, ẹ tún jẹ́ kí jèrè ọ̀rọ̀ lára yín. Orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà, Ìyédára Kòwé Kòkòkò ni mò ń jẹ́. Má gbàgbé láti bá mi ṣe ètò yìí. Bye for now. Ire o, kàbìtì. Greatest Yoruba race, great o.